Let's take a look at how to utilize objects acquired through Unity's Asset Library in Blender. First, access Unity's Asset Store and download the necessary models. To export in the FBX format, install the FBX exporter. Select the object you want to export, then right-click and execute the Export to FBX menu. However, when importing this exported FBX format into Blender, you may encounter the following error message. You need to use the FBX converter, which can be downloaded from the link provided in the video description, to convert the FBX file before importing it into Blender. After converting the file, using the FBX converter, import it into Blender. Although the import works in Blender, the object doesn't appear as natural as expected. In edit mode, select all vertices, then press Alt+N and choose Reset Vector to correct the orientation. This way, you can utilize the objects downloaded from Unity's Asset Store in Blender as well.